everyone. In continuation with the chapter Microorganisms, Friend and Foe, here we'll discuss some common human diseases caused by microorganisms. We know that there are so many diseases that are caused by microorganisms. Right now we are also suffering. We are all locked down because of what? COVID-19, that is caused by coronavirus. So the first one we'll discuss here is tuberculosis. Actually, tuberculosis is also a very serious infectious vectorial disease that mainly affects the lung. Right? And here the causative microorganism is bacteria and the mode of transmission is air, through air. Right? Next one is measles. It's a very contagious disease caused by virus that is very serious for small children if affected. Right? And here the causative microorganism is virus and the mode of transmission is air. Next we'll move on to chicken pox, which we normally heard. It's a viral infection which causes an itchy blister like rashes on the skin. Causative microorganism, virus, mode of transmission, air or through contact with the affected person. Right? Now, another one is the polio, which we call it poliomyelitis also. It is also an infectious disease caused by poliovirus and even cause what? Paralysis. And the mode of this causative microorganism is through virus and the mode of transmission is through air or water. Here are the preventive measures in general. So for these four diseases which we have discussed, keep the patient in complete isolation. Keep the personal belongings of the patient away from those of the others. Vaccination to be given as suitable. Yes, so we should keep the patient in complete isolation like that of the COVID-19 patient. Right? And another one is the cholera. Cholera is also a disease causing diarrhea and dehydration. And here the causative microorganism is bacteria and the mode of transmission is through water and food. Next one is the typhoid. What is typhoid? Typhoid, we call it typhoid fever also. It's a bacterial infection due to a bacteria called Salmonella typhi. And here the causative microorganism is bacteria and the mode of transmission is through water. So let us see some preventive measures. We should maintain personal hygiene and good sanitary habits. We should consume properly cooked food and boiled drinking water. And vaccination should be given at the right time in order to prevent cholera and typhoid. Now we'll move on to another disease known as hepatitis A. What is hepatitis A? It is highly contagious liver infection caused by hepatitis A virus. And now causative microorganism is virus and the mode of transmission is through water. Right. So in order to prevent hepatitis A, what should we do? What are the general preventive measures? That is, drink boiled drinking water and proper vaccination should also be done. Now we'll move on to malaria. Malaria is also a disease caused by Plasmodium parasite transmitted by the bite of infected mosquito. And it is caused by protozoa here. And the mode of transmission is through the bite of mosquito. Understand? And let us see some of the preventive measures of malaria. General. Use mosquito net and repellents. Spray insecticide and control breeding of mosquito by not allowing water to collect in the surroundings. So we should avoid stagnant water. We should use mosquito net and repellent. And these are some of the preventive measures general in order to prevent from malaria. So here we have discussed some of the common human diseases